Hey everyone, it's been a while. It's me, Jelly Moth. Make sure to like and subscribe for more, and enjoy the vid. So this has been a video I've been wanting to do for a while now. The thunderbird versus the phoenix. So the phoenix is a mythical creature from a lot of countries. It's shared over from Greek, Egyptian, and even Chinese mythology. And then the Thunderbird is only from Native American mythology. I already made videos on these guys a couple weeks back, so check up on that for more information on both of them. But other than that, let's get started with this. Okay, so we're going to start off with the Thunderbird. So the Thunderbird has weather manipulation, and that's a valuable asset to this fight. So it can control the weather. It can make a hailstorm to rain chunks of ice at the Phoenix, or it can make a lightning storm to cause a bunch of lightning and thunder to roar out, and the rain from it could stop the Phoenix's flames. And also, it has a sonic scream, so it can make sound waves. It also has an electrical immunity, so the lightning from the thunderstorm it creates, it's unaffected by it, but it also kind of makes it useless because the Phoenix doesn't have any lightning-based attacks for it to deal with. And then it also has avian physiology, because technically the Thunderbird is still just a spirit. It's not an actual bird, so it takes the abilities and the form of a bird. And then it also has avian manipulation. It can control and bend the will of all other birds. So this is a pretty tough monster. Let's see how the Phoenix handles it. The Phoenix can do fire mimicry, which its entire body can turn into fire. It also has ash resurrection, which means its whole body becomes ashes, and then it gets reborn within those ashes after it dies of old age. Healing tears. It can heal wounds and cure diseases from its tears. It also has holy fire manipulation, so it can control flames that have embodied a divine spirit or element inside of it. And white fire manipulation, it's separate from holy fire, which it's fire that has a positive element or a light element. The winner between these two would actually have to be the Thunderbird because of his avian manipulation. So he can just bend the will of the Phoenix and pretty much make it kill itself. That may sound dark, but that's what would pretty much happen if they were at a fight to the death. And it would actually work because the Ash Resurrection for the Phoenix only works when it's about to die at old age or on natural causes. And then with the healing tears, the Phoenix could pretty much be like, "Don't cry while you kill yourself," and yeah, that'd pretty much happen. But if we say the Ash Resurrection would be at any moment, not just old age, then what would happen is the Phoenix would die, but then be reborn as a baby. So if it comes back as a baby, it's still just gonna get insta-killed by the Thunderbird. So either way, the Thunderbird would win. Alright, thanks for watching, you guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, and give a little share out. And see you guys next time.